Welcome to Tables Overview. In NextWorld, applications are built over the tables they store and retrieve information from, and it is important to understand how these tables affect your applications. In this video, we will review what tables are, the different table types, and the usefulness of different table configuration settings. When you create tables in NextWorld, there are many configuration considerations, including fields, table types, table lookups, indexes, audits, and how to connect logic blocks. Refer to NextWorld Help for additional information about configuration considerations while creating and using tables on the NextWorld platform. As covered in the Anatomy of a NextWorld Application video, fields, also known as data items, are the foundation of an application in NextWorld. Tables are a collection of these related data items and are used to store and retrieve business information in your NextWorld environment. You then use these tables when building applications, logic blocks, reports, and more to meet your business needs. These data items are available in many different types. Use NextWorld Help to learn more about the available data item types and how you can use them to meet your business needs. In NextWorld, the type of table you build determines how an application can use the stored information. The available types are main, settings, header detail, header, detail, join, subtable, view, summary, and work. Use work tables to temporarily pass data to and from a logic block without needing to store the data itself. Use header, detail, and header detail tables to build header, detail, and header detail application types. Use settings tables if you're creating a module settings application. Use summary tables for interactive reports. They allow you to view dimensional data about multiple transactional tables in a single location. Use view tables if you want a very specific, filtered view of data that is read-only. This is often helpful for reports, as it avoids pulling in an entire table's worth of fields that you don't need. Use join tables to create a view that joins one or more tables for use in logic blocks, standard applications, relationship applications, or advanced list applications. Use subtables if you want a nested table with limited fields or information within your application's user interface. This allows you to add a different table to the detail form of your application. Use main tables for everything else. Refer to NextWorld Help to learn more about the different table types and their uses. Next, let's explore some additional configuration considerations for your tables. When building your applications, there may be fields from other tables that could also apply to the new table you're building, such as directory information. You can use table lookups to retrieve the information from the related table. This ensures accuracy and consistency across all applications with only one data maintenance point. These can be configured with two different data item types, table lookup or text. The table lookup type stores the internal ID of the data item and will automatically update if the linked field changes. This is often used for things such as contact information for a customer or supplier. Whereas the text type will take a static copy of the current value and bring it into your table. This is often used for information that is date sensitive, such as tax codes that are tied to customers and suppliers. In NextWorld, an index is a field or list of fields designed to improve the performance of queries. These indexes improve the performance of queries by using filters, logic block fetches, or use of a specific row without having to read the entire table. You create and assign index IDs while creating your tables in NextWorld. You can assign the ID to a field or list of fields. Using unique indexes also maintains data integrity by ensuring that no two rows or records have identical values. In NextWorld, table lookups, list lookups, and NextWorld internal IDs are automatically indexed and do not need to be manually added in the Table Definitions application. When creating a table in NextWorld, developers can enable audits to capture information on when records are created, updated, or deleted. Users with audit access can then view and track those changes, including who made them and when within the table. There are different levels of potential audit access, usually based on a user's role. These access levels include record level, where the user can use the row action button to view the audit information for a specific record. Table level, where the user can use the Audit History Viewer mini application to view the audit information for the entire table. Security Administrator level, where the user can use the Audit Log Configuration utility and Audit Log applications to view and export audit information across their entire environment. Logic blocks are used to perform specific actions and are connected to events that occur on a table, such as record changes or save events. Logic blocks can be connected to a table in two ways: a table trigger or action block. Table triggers are used to run logic before a change is saved, after a change is saved, or to validate the record regardless of how the data was altered. Action blocks are activated by a save event when a user selects a button to update a record. The action block then performs its function and saves the record once it has completed. For more information on using and connecting logic blocks, refer to the Logic Blocks, Where to Connect for Maximum Impact training video. Thank you for watching the Tables Overview video. In this video, we reviewed what tables are, the different table types, and the usefulness of different table configuration settings. We recommend you access your NextWorld environment and explore different tables and their configuration settings before building your own. Use NextWorld help to explore more information about these topics.